Good morning. Another challenge lock today. This is SHIM SHIMINY, pinned by Priyer. Key works kind of one way, won't return fully until you do a full rotation, so there's something happening in here. Now I won't go the other way. Anyway, key works. Kind of. No, that way. Oh, come on. There we go. Very flat bitting. So we'll see what's inside. Schleg core, which is always nice. And just again, all right. Go-to for the Schleg is 50 thousandths tock bar and a 7 hook in 18th thou. Nice flop there, so that might lend us well to some spools. Try counterclockwise first. If we get nowhere, then we'll flip it. All right. Light tension, start with 1. Counter rotation, click, another click. It's all for 1. Counter rotation on 2, click. It's all for 2. Bit of counter rotation, click out of 3, kind of. Nothing on 4, nothing on 5, which is concerning. And 6 counter rotation on 6. It's all out of 6. We definitely dropped a few things. Yep, 1, I think. Nope. Stuck. Why is that stuck? It's bent. All right. I think I've got to click out of that. Ah, there we go. Real crunchy clicks. Okay, counter rotation on 2. Alright, nothing else on 2. Counter rotation. Alright, nice deep false set now. Oh, even deeper. Six feels good. 5 feels good. Oh, and we're open. I think there are some T-pins in there. Let's have a look-see. That was my first time picking this. Another C-clip. Let's lock it back up. And it won't lock back up. Well, we're making a dog's breakfast of this. Right, there we go. Almost a disaster. Very crunchy lock. Right, let's shim that before we completely ruin it. Okay. One, serrated overset traps. 2, serrated overset traps. 3, serrated overset traps. 4 is our torpedo-y, spoolie thingy. 5 is a thinned at the top there. 6 is a spool top. This core, we can see we've got threading in 1 and 2. Got some milling there in 3 and 6. And these might have been rimmed out slightly, so you need to give them just a little tap. You can definitely see those core mods in there. All right, I wonder how many T-pins we're going to find up here. Let's have a look. Where's that shim? Piss off. X marks the front. All right, homemade serrated in 1. Serrated in, deeply serrated, almost multi-spooled in 2. multi-spool in 3. There's some nice spring variations already. There is one of our T-pins. It's a multi T-pin, but I reckon there's probably another one. There were quite a few little nudges in there that gave us some movement on that core. Get the other 2 from the arse end. 6, we've got a spool, nice deep spool. And a double spring. And in 5, another T-pin, multi-layered with some serrations as well. You could definitely feel those. All right. Top mods, what do we got? Nothing in the top. Okay, we've got serrated overset key pins in 1, 2, 3. Got a spoolie torpedo in 4. We've got a standard in 5 with just the top rimmed out a little bit. And then we've got this spool toppy serrated overset trap in 6. Drivers, we've got serrated in 1. Nice multi-level spooled in 2. Double spool very deep in 3. We've got a T-pin in 4. Multi-layered T-pin in 4. Same as 5. And with a nice deep spool in 6. And nice spring variations here as well. 6 is a double spring. And just a reminder, we have some really nice mods in that core as well. So you can see we've got some threading and some milling as well. That is, where's that key? SHIM SHIMINY by Priyer. Thanks for watching.